Today we'll learn about framework in Selenium. So, what is framework? So, this is a very important topic for all the automation testers. So most of people, most of the testers who all are working in the live projects in their company or some tutorials, or those who are preparing for the interview, they may have faced the questions like what is framework in Selenium or what is framework. This is very important topic, and today we'll discuss about end-to-end knowledge and concept of the framework. So in today's section I will discuss about the real life traditional example of the framework and some basic definition of the framework, and in the latter session I'll go more into the technical point of the framework, how it will be constructed in the Selenium. Let's start. So first is, what is framework? So framework is very important topic. I have already told you. So first and the most important question is, what is framework? Basic structure of something is called framework. So what is basic structure? The basic structure of something is called framework. Have you understood? Yes, basic structure, that is the main concept here. So let's say I have the house. Okay, I have a house. This is my house and this is the entrance. Okay, so once I enter, there is a shoe stand here. Okay, and there is a drunk room, and this is my dining table, this is my drawing room. Okay, and this is my bedroom, this is my cupboard, and this is my shelves. This is just an example I'm giving you. So there is a structure of my house that where the each components will be exist. My bedroom should not be in this position. Okay, my bedroom should be in this position so that I can manage. My shoe stand should be in this position, not in this here. Okay, so there is some structure of my house. This is the framework. So there is some structure, like the basic structure of my house is called framework of my house. Okay, there is some structure. So basic structure is called framework, and I can keep my beds in my bedrooms, I can keep shoe on my shoe stand, I can keep my books and other stationaries at my shelves, and I can keep my clothes and other stuffs in my cupboards. So there is some rules where to keep what. So I cannot keep shoe at my bedrooms, right? So there is some rules in which I can manage my basic structure of our house. So there is some 2 points I have mentioned here. Each there is a basic structure and the rules. These two are correlated. The basic structure is called framework and the rule is called protocols, through which I can manage all my components of the framework. You understood? So there is a basic structure of my house which is called framework, and how to manage all these components and structure and where to keep what is, there is some rules, or that is called protocols, which is the help to our framework management. Okay, so now let's think another example. It's called airport. So you have already know what is the structure of the airport. Let's say I have booked a airport ticket from my trip. Okay, I want to go from Bangalore to Delhi. So I have the tickets on my hand. So what I will do now, I need a boarding pass. For that boarding pass, I need to go to airport. Okay, so first I will go to airport, then I have shown them the tickets and my ID cards. Then they are allowed me to enter to the airport. Then I go to the check-in section where I have to drop my check-in bags, and I need to collect boarding pass. Okay. So after that, I will go to the security check-ins. For that, I may need to go to the stairs. Then I have reached to the security check-ins. What to do in security check-ins? I have to drop my hand baggage for the scanning, and if everything is good, I'll pass this security check-ins. Then I collect my hand baggage. Then I will reach my waiting rooms, which is called lounges. So if my departure time is not arrived, then I have to wait in the lounges areas. Then once time arrives, I will be boarded to the flight. Then flight will be departed to the destinations. Once I reached, I need to collect my check-in baggage from the belt. So this is the whole structure of the airport, and all these individuals are called components of the airport. So if we'll consider as the airport as a my home, or there is object, so all these are structured manners. So this is called framework. So how it is structured, you can see. So this lounges area should not be in this position. Okay, after the check-in, web check-ins, or after the check-ins, your lounges area should not be there, otherwise it will no point. And in each components there is some rules what to do, and all this transition there is some rules. So that is called protocols, how to manage one by one components of the framework. Okay, you understood? This is a very a real life example of the framework. This is called the framework. This, so there is some basic structure of the airport, and there is some protocols where to communicating the each components, and in each components what will be happened. So this, the whole picture is called framework. Okay, so now move to next point. So till now we have understood what is the framework in real life example. Okay, in the framework, by accessing a different components in one place will easy to handle and process smoothly. Okay, so let's think of let's say we have some ticket counter outside of the airport and some near to the waiting area, then it will be very difficult to handle and maintain. Fine. So apart from having components in place, we can see that each components are arranged in a such way that you can travel smoothly. Okay, from ticket booking till you're collecting your baggage from the belt. Okay, understood, right? Now we have clear picture of traditional way of definitions what is framework. Now we will check what is framework in our software industry. Okay, first point is framework is working as a platform. Framework is working as a platform for developing the software applications. Framework is nothing but a platform. Okay, it provides a basic structure on which programmer can code for specific purpose. Okay, now there are set of rules and best practices or protocols to manage. So that is a very important point, okay, of the framework. In the framework there are some rules and best practices or protocols to manage our components and the structures of the framework. So framework is a platform that has all the tools, libraries, which is organized and set in the structure which can be enabled for the testing automation. So till now you have understood about the traditional definition of framework, real life scenario of the framework, and framework in software industry. In the next session we will discuss about how the framework is constructed in our Selenium for the automation testing. Okay, so till now we have understood what is framework, the real life scenarios of framework, example of the framework, and framework in the software industry. And the next section what we'll discuss, we'll discuss the framework, the Selenium, how it will be constructed, and what all are the protocols and rules to manage in the framework in the Selenium.
If you want to learn more about Selenium automation testing tool, then you can go to www.testinglpoint.com. Go to this website, and there are lots of testing tools. Tutorials are available like Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python, Cucumber, LT, and JMeter. Also, addition to that, you can have quiz. You can give the quiz here, and there are lots of interview questions are available here. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. There are lots of tutorials will be uploaded soon. Just subscribe to my channel, like and share. If you have any questions on this videos, the tutorial, then you can put your questions on the comment section. I'll give the answers in the next tutorials. Thank you, guys.